Welcome to the Pitt State Library's web tutorials. Today we will learn how to use the Interlibrary Loan service. PSU Library Services has access to thousands of books and journal subscriptions, but we may not have everything you need for your research. Interlibrary Loan, also known as ILL or ILLiad, helps request materials from other libraries. This video will show you the basics of ILL, how to create an account, and how to request materials. To create an account, you need to access the Interlibrary Loan page from the Pitt State Library's homepage, axe.pittstate.edu. Scroll down to the Quick Find section. Click the Interlibrary Loan icon on the bottom left. This next page shows you information about ILL, how to use it, and FAQ pages. To create an account, click Login to ILLiad. If you are a current PSU student, staff, or faculty member, your GUS login will take you right in. Please note, if you are faculty or staff, you will need to use your Active Directory login. If this is your first time using ILL, you will need to fill out the personal information form before requesting items. Make sure to pay special attention to your email address, authorized users, and the delivery location. Provide an email address you check frequently. Email is our primary method of communication. If you don't specify an authorized user, only you can pick up your materials from ILL. Lastly, the delivery location is where you plan on picking up your materials. You can pick up materials from Axe Library or the KTC Library. Now that you've created an account, you can see your account menu. On the side, you can request various items, view information about your requests, or view additional information. To make a request, click Book under New Request. In the book request form, fill in the author and the title. If you need a specific edition, please indicate that under the appropriate field. You should also indicate the date you need it by. ILL is a primarily free service, but we occasionally charge a fee if another library charges us. In those cases, you let us know on the request form that paying a fee is okay and how much you are willing to pay. We will never charge you without your permission. After you submit your request, please allow time for the material to arrive. Articles are delivered online and may arrive in just a few days. However, books are mailed to us, so expect at least a few days before they arrive. When items arrive, you will receive an email notice. If you requested a book, you will need to come to the pickup location you indicated when first setting up your account. If you requested an article, a scanned copy will be uploaded to your ILLiad account as a PDF. You can access articles from ILLiad by clicking on My Articles. Articles only stay on this site for several weeks, so make sure to save your articles. For materials that are checked out of Axe Library or available at another Pittsburgh library, please contact the Circulation Service Desk. They can obtain local materials for you. Those are the basics of using ILL. If you have any questions, contact Richard Sanford at 620-235-4890, or stop by the Reference Service Desk or message us through the library chat service. Thank you for watching the Interlibrary Loan tutorial. Make sure to check out our other web tutorials and subscribe to our channel.